Then let's discuss embedding these recommendations. Number 4, embedding. Embedding means making it business as usual. Embedding candidates is the most difficult stage because it involves moving the audit findings out of the audit file into the daily operations of the company. And that can be done through policy integration. To embed is to integrate. You integrate these audit findings into the day-to-day operations of the organization, business as usual. So that can be done through policy integration. That means updating the formal employee handbook, for example, and operational manuals to include the new controls. It can be done through training and awareness. Training and awareness is very critical. That is to mean conducting workshops to explain why the change happened. And here employees are more likely to follow the rule if they understand the legal and ethical risk that it presents. So that is how you embed these recommendations into, that is from the audit. Performance management is another way. Performance management. That means including compliance metrics into the annual performance appraisals for all the staff and not just the executives. 4 is through culture of compliance. Culture of compliance. That is to mean shifting the tone at the top so that employees feel empowered to report when a new control is being bypassed. And that can be through whistleblowing and so on. So this is how to embed the recommendations arising from the audit. Embed means integrating these recommendations to be part and parcel of the organizational culture. And that's the end of our today's lesson, candidates, on monitoring, evaluating, tracking progress, and embedding the recommendations from the audit of governance and compliance system. Thank you for attending the lesson. That is the end of the topic. We will continue to the other topic in our next lesson, which is post-governance and compliance audit. Bye-bye.